This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Keller. Twin villa with bundled golf membership included and panoramic golf and lake view. Very popular open floor plan that provides large living areas with 2 BRS plus den. Den could function as a third bedroom. The kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances with maple cabinets and Korean counters. Newer wood-like flooring and BRs and den with tile in main living areas. Enjoy amazing sunset views of lake and golf course from your extended lanai. New roof in 2021. Newer AC, water heater and washer and dryer. Connecticut whole home water treatment system with row. This home is located in the highly desirable resort community of Colonial Country Club, which offers 18 holes of championship golf, remodeled clubhouse with bar and dining, fitness center, community pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and much more. This community benefits from a convenient location, high-quality amenities and moderate fee structure. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.